YouTube? It's your girl Valencia.
It's your girl Giselle.
And you are Kicking In with the Smells. So today we are doing a mukbang on KFC. I wanted Popeyes, y'all, but Popeyes had too much stuff going on. So we at KFC. You ready to eat, Pooh?
Yes.
Okay, get your food. Put this out of the way. Oh, the cook. I got strawberry soda.
I like the soda.
I got some peppers too, y'all. That was good, Spike.
That's like you makes somebody strong.
Huh?
Make strong.
It's just good. Because hot sauce makes my heartburn. I have heartburn right now, so I substitute the peppers. Oh, okay, yeah.
Then that's strong.
So we about to eat us some chicken. This is our lunch for today. Real spoon. I don't think I want no. They didn't give us no napkins. They trippy for real.
Yeah.
My chicken's still kind of hot, so I asked for extra gravy and I got mashed potatoes. Giselle, what you have?
Macaroni and biscuit and chicken.
Okay. Ooh.
I just look.
I asked for extra gravy too.
I just look.
What? Take that off there like this. So
I'm gonna keep on for the race.
obviously, y'all see that it's just me and Giselle. Leroy, he's at work. The other girls, they're at school. So me and Giselle doing this thing today by ourselves. Ain't that right, Stank? Open your macaroni? Huh?
No, I got it. I get open.
My bad. You want pepper?
No.
I just playing. It's hot anyway. So I'm gonna see how this tastes, y'all. I tasted one from church yesterday. Nothing. What?
That's
It's peppers.
nasty. Why you squeezing your chicken? Huh? Why you squeezing your chicken? Why not eating the peppers?
I'm good.
Try it again. Try again.
Pepper?
Try again.
Okay. And chew it back in my mouth. Calm down. Sit up. They can't even see you. Sit up.
I got ginger and
Here,
water.
go try it.
No.
I got peppers. Chicken.
Who will not pray?
Oh, we didn't pray. Let's pray, Pooh. Sorry. You want to pray?
Yes.
Come on.
Lord Jesus, in my family, in my sister,
Speak, please, Giselle.
my sisters, and my daddy going to work. Amen.
Amen. Give us, Lord.
Watch this.
My baby always have to remind us to pray.
Watch this.
See.
Is he the homer?
Come take it out. Show them your macaroni and cheese. She has macaroni and cheese. Taste it. Tell them how it tastes. Come over here. Put your food right. Let me get you a paper plate. I forget both of us a paper plate so y'all can see our food. Hold on, y'all.
Yum.
Yum.
Yeah. It's so sweet. It's sweet too. plates.
Put our food on. So they can see our food. They can't see our food. Ooh, what the heck? Okay. Ooh, almost dropped my food, Lord.
You almost.
Chicken. Yeah, I see it in there. Good boy. There you go. My pepper.
Okay, eat time.
Put your chicken.
Put my macaroni. I need macaroni in it.
You want your just leave your macaroni in there.
Huh?
Leave your macaroni in there. Now, they can see your food too. Now, that's better. Good, boo?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what you want to talk about?
I'm not talking about nothing.
You don't want to talk about nothing? What you want to do then? You just want to eat? Okay. My baby said she don't want to talk about nothing. She just want to eat. Peppers.
Macaroni tastes
Chicken.
good.
You good, boo? What's out there you pop out? What?
No.
We got to set up for KFC today. What? It's all good. So, you about to start your YouTube channel? What's the name of your, oop, better drop your spoon. What's gonna be the name of your YouTube channel?
YouTube.
The name of your YouTube channel gonna be YouTube? Or it's gonna be the Smith Sisters? Mm. And what y'all gonna be doing on y'all channel? What y'all gonna be making?
Play-Doh!
Y'all gonna be making Play-Doh?
Yes.
And slime?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's me and the senior baby.
okay. Damn, like this chicken just got but anyway. Peppers? The inside of there though. Some bitty beads. They had it. Them bitty beads. Bitty beads. This not gonna be a long video, y'all. It's just me and Giselle eating our lunch. Get them out of here, y'all. They just do something to me. Okay, took those out. Pepper. Chicken.
And macaroni cheese. Biscuit, chicken. Biscuit, chicken, and macaroni cheese.
Yep. I knew that one. That sounds good. I'm getting full already. It's crazy, man.
Me too.
You getting full, too? Oh, poor big shell. Just this night. I gotta do her hair, so this is why her hair looking a little rough. I gotta wash it, condition it, blow it out, braid it. Ooh, Lord. So this is why her hair looking like that, y'all.
Oh.
Yeah, I know one block. So. What? Girl, why you always wasting everything? She always do that. Every time we sit at the table, she always waste some, drop some. Who? You don't want. You don't want pole? I think I'm gonna try one more pepper. I'm gonna finish this one up. Baby in there jumping, he hungry. He getting that food.
You said Bailey?
Baby.
Oh.
Your brother.
I'm done with it.
You full. You ain't no chicken, Paul.
I'm full with this one.
Oh. She eat like her dad. She eat. Oh, never mind. But she should eat one thing at a time. But Leroy eat one thing at a time. He just macaroni, he just mashed potato first, biscuit, then he eat chicken last. But I mix it all up. Cause I don't. It's good. Giselle said she wants some seasoned chicken. She thought we were gonna get some wings. I think I ain't eating this one, y'all. I'm full.
Me too.
I'm full too. If you're full, Pooh, you ain't got to stuff yourself, baby. You save it for later. So, you full? Well, don't stuff yourself, Pooh. My baby be eating. Don't. Where you going? Come over here in the camera so they can see you. They can see your little pretty face. Come on, stinky lady. They can see my baby. What? That's the washer, girl. I mean, that's the dryer. I'm full. Okay. So.
Yeah, I'm done.
Done? So we done, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like.
Subscribe.
Come on, sit up so they can see you.
Have a thumbs up.
Come up here. Come on, Paul, stand up.
Have a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yes.
So tell them make sure they like,
Like,
share,
share,
and subscribe
and subscribe.
to our channel. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm Valencia. You don't gotta repeat that, Giselle. I'm Valencia.
Giselle.
And you have been kicking it with the smells. Peace.